What's going on, guys? Welcome back, and today's video is day 2 of the New Hampshire journey. We got to see some beautiful areas in New Hampshire and in Maine. We stopped at a beautiful lake, and we also stopped in Portland, Maine, and we got some, you got it, lobster rolls. So sit back and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Over? Oh yeah, look at this. I know. Well, look at this, man. Nice ski spot there. Beautiful lake. Even on the other side here. Wow. Nice body of water. Of course. I'm gonna put my gloves in my pocket because they're really light and this wind might, yeah. Hells yeah. This is a beautiful spot here. Damn. Yeah, can't get any nicer than this, man. That water looks nice and clear. We're on the side of the road somewhere. Let's see where we're at. It's Route 302. And it doesn't give me the name of the body of water. No, Moose Pond. I don't know, that's what it says on here. Hold on, let's look at Google. What does Google say? Ding 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 ding. I get no service anyway. Yeah. You want me to get you guys? Up and down? Which way are you going? That way? You want to get the bike? Ready? Look here real quick. Here you go. I got the butt. Yeah, man. Look at this area here, man. Look. Beautiful. I know, it's really windy. Beautiful Maine. Which guys? Hells yeah. Ready? Car coming? One. Yeah, I know.
You guys want some lemon?
No thanks.
Gilbert's Chowder House.
Oh shit, I almost put it on yours.
There we go.
That's my cousin Gilly. Can I deep throw these fried?
You can. Yes, here it is. Lobster roll. Lobster roll.
Is the
Look at this
lobster
bread
roll?
bowl. Jesus.
Oh man.
You have the audacity.
It's gonna be good.
I thought they were gonna bring the whole lobster.
It's definitely gonna be good.
And they have the audacity to give me crackers, put in there. That fucking giant ass bread for it.
This. It's a 360 anyway. I marked it.
Attaboy.
So we're here at the Portland Lighthouse. Look at this. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, man. Probably get a nice photo of the bikes when we come back. But right now we just parked up on the parking area. You have to pay, but you know, it's alright. Full lighthouse. You go inside. Been here before, but this is a beautiful spot. Look at this beautiful landscape. Look, the tower isn't straight. That's what Carla said. Just tilt your head, brother.
You can see the house from here.
Look at.
I think that's
All right, guys, that's day 2 in Portland. Just a little riding, about a 2-hour ride here on back roads. Saw the lighthouse, got to eat some good food. Now heading back home. About another 2-hour ride, all back roads. There's really no highway, straight highway to get there, but it's all right. If you like today's video, please subscribe.